Lace fronts, hair weaves. If you wanna get your hair lace, if you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the pliers, dreads. I can guarantee that you wanna come see me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video, you guys. Today my client came in. She was supposed to get a weave. Threaded all the needles and everything. But when she came in and saw one of my units on the shelf, she said, "Ooh, that's pretty. How much is that?" So I gave her the price. She said, "I want that." So instead of doing a weave, we ended up installing a unit on it. So yeah, that's what happened there. Right now, all you see me doing is blow drying. I already shampooed and conditioned her hair off camera, and I put a leave-in in it and some oil, and I will put in the description box the oil and the shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in that I used for her hair. So that's all I'm doing right now is blow drying the hair. Right now, I'm just parting it off. I'm getting ready to start braiding. Cornrows going back. I think I'll probably put about 7 or 8 of them in there. Maybe 9, I don't know. But as you guys can see, when I do the braiding of the hair, how people most start that braid right at the hairline. I don't do that. I scoot back a little bit and then I start braiding. Because I can't stand it when people's hairline is messed up because of braiding, how people braid their hair, and then they wonder why their hairline is horrible. So yeah, I go back like I don't even know how many, it's not inches for sure, but I go back a little bit and then I start braiding away from the hairline, but the hair is still laying down, if that makes sense. But you guys will see, the hair is still laying down. And you can see where the braid starts. It's not right there on the hairline. And her hairline is already pretty thin. But not thin, but I don't want it to get thin. When I braid, I always grab the other braid that's down there. Well, not always, but most of the time. You guys, I just stopped talking. I could have swore I heard somebody walking up the stairs in my house and ain't nobody in here but me. Did you guys hear that brief pause? Child. Okay, but anyway, back to the hair. As you can do, I'm just braiding it, you guys. That's it. So keep watching. Okay, right here I just put the stocking cap on and secured it with got to be freeze spray or freeze blast. That's what I'm doing right here, you guys. Yeah, I just instantly got sleepy. I've been working my behind off all week long. This was supposed to be a slow week, but it wasn't, which I'm grateful that it wasn't a slow week. But, oh my goodness, I can't wait till Sunday gets here. Saturday's going to be another busy day, and I start that day off at around 6 o'clock because I have to get up super early to go volunteer for my church, their outreach unit, outreach ministry, where people drive up and we put food in their trunk, you know, stuff like that. So I love doing that. I love being a help of service like that. And then our rush is from 8. I have to be there at 7:30, but it starts from 8 to 10. And then I have to hurry up and be home for my 11 o'clock appointment. Have an 11 o'clock, a 1 o'clock, a 4 o'clock, and a 6 o'clock. I should be done working by 8:30, 9 o'clock for sure. But like I said, I'd rather be tired from working and making money than tired from being bored and at home, you know, doing nothing. But anyway, right now I'm just cutting off the stocking cap. That's not secure. And blow drying it down some. But yeah, I'll be back, you guys. I'm not gonna talk all the way through this video. Y'all know I can though. You know that I can. But I'll be back. You guys, that what I just gave her are cup condoms. I think I showed you guys the cup condoms in a video when I was out during my birthday week. So yeah, I gave her 2 of the cup condoms. It's just to cover your glass up, and your straw can go right through it, so that when you're out eating, just if the waitress is taking your order, she spits a little bit, or spits, it won't go in your glass. But anyway, back to the hair again, you guys. I had taken out some powder concealer, and I'm putting it on the stocking cap where her part is gonna be. And right now you can't see me in view, but I'm putting that same powder on her lace. That's pretty, y'all. Oops, fell on off. Oop, trying to come off again. But anyway, I just tuck the clip in the stocking cap in the back, and then she has 2 clips on the side. Yeah, I'm just pulling it down. Now I'm gonna measure it or put the clip in where I can cut the lace so that her ear won't be tucked up under there. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, you guys. Now be paranoid. I don't want to cut nobody's ear. Yep, I just cut 2 slits on the side and the top front so that I can lay it down. We'll put the glue on, or the adhesive, I should say, section by section. And I'm using the Bold Hold adhesive. I'm gonna let that turn clear. I took the blow dryer to it with cool heat. She had a business phone call at 3 o'clock, and I believe it was like 2:45. So I sped that process up, and I put 3 layers of the Bold Hold adhesive on there. You guys, in all honesty, today is Friday and I am editing this vlog. I totally forgot all about it. I forgot all about it, you guys, because I had it saved. I had shot all the video and everything, and then I was like, I know I'm supposed to be putting, because I kept thinking today was Saturday for some reason. I don't know why, but I was like, I know I'm supposed to be doing something. But then I went and I was looking at my camera at some photos of something else. And I said, wait a minute, what is this footage right here? So yeah, then I said, you know what, let me do this right now. So as I'm editing right now, and it is 6:14 p.m. on Friday, September the 10th. So yeah, I'm gonna get this out to you guys today on Friday, because I said I was going to do my posting on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I've been consistent with that for the past, for the past month. Well, wait, let me see. Yeah, pretty much the past month. So I was sitting here watching. It was my first time watching her. What was her name? Her name is Sunny something with Sunny. But wait, let me watch what I'm doing right here, because I know that my camera's gonna give up. Okay, yeah. My camera had died. It didn't even die. I think after 30 minutes it just turns off. So that's what it did. But let me see what the name of this girl is on YouTube. Hopefully it didn't turn off, because my TV downstairs be giving me heck. Let's see, what is her name? Okay, yeah. It's Naturally Sunny. You guys, I am so sorry. My camera ran out. Actually, my battery died and you didn't get to see the end, but I will insert pictures so you can see how that it came out.